Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to clear Discord cache in your laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So, let's go. For this, you have to press on your keyboard Windows plus R. Here, you have to press for percentage, app data, again percentage. After pressing this, you have to press on OK. Now here you have to select for Discord. Now here you have to select cache, then code cache, then component CRX cache, down graphic cache, down web GPU cache and GPU cache. Now you have to press on delete, or you can press shift plus delete option. So this is how to clear Discord cache in your laptop. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.